Okay, so here you're going to be working with integers. So let's look at the first few. Add the following integers. So I'll look at number one. So you've got -5 plus -7. So you can just type this in your calculator. Make sure you use the negative symbol, not the subtraction symbol. Otherwise, you'll get error on your calculator. So with number one, the way it reads is -5, and it's saying go more negative. So going more negative would be going left. So you're at -12. Um, I will look at, say, number seven. So you've got 10 plus -15. So start at +10 and go more negative. So it'd be at -5. Okay. Let's look at the subtracting ones. So um, remember, subtracting is different than a negative sign. So for 16, you're going to use subtract. So it's 13 subtract 15, you're at -2. But if we look at, say, number 28, this says start at 4 and go less negative. So going less negative would be going to the right. So it's actually saying 4 plus 3. So therefore it's 7. If you want to use your calculator, you can. So on the calculator, you're going to go 4 and then hit subtract. And then you're going to have to use the negative sign, -3, and it should spit out the correct answer. Okay, let's look at multiplying and dividing. Again, you can use your calculator. So two negatives when you multiply becomes a positive. So if they're the same sign, it's positive. If they're opposite signs, so you have one of each, then it stays negative. So -3 times -1 will be +3. Okay. Um, but if you look at 39, you have a +6 and a -5. So you have one of each. So the answer will be negative. And then 6 times 5 is 30. So you got -30. The other way to look at this when you're looking at, say, three or more numbers, I look at how many negative signs there are. So there's three negative signs, which is an odd number of negative signs. Odd number means it's going to stay negative. If there's an even number, then it will be positive. So let's look at 47. There's two negatives. So then it's going to be a positive number. So I know it'll be +63. Okay, same rules apply for division. So if you have a positive and a negative, it'll be a negative. So this will be -5, 20 divided by -4. If you have two of the same sign, even number of signs, -20 divided by -2 makes +10. And that's basically how you work with integers.